Hi there, and welcome back to Triplicate. Now, the festive season is well over, but Santa here needs a little bit of TLC. Now, Santa here was bought in a petrol station 30 some years ago, and as a sort of one Christmas and throw away sort of thing, but has been with us ever since, and has become a bit of a family heirloom. And he plays a little tune, but his little tune is, oh dear, not good. So we at Triplicate are tasked with replacing his battery. Now, that battery in there is 30 years old, 30 some years old, in a cheap toy, and it's still, well, going-ish sort of. So, first job here is to get inside him and get the electronics out, which I am going to entrust to Angela, because she's far better at picking seams apart and that sort of thing than I am. So we will do that, and I will come back with a disemboweled Santa. Oh, poor chap, poor chap. Never mind, we have the technology. We will rebuild you, Santa. Okay, so here it is. This is Santa's tune playing module. So if we hit the button, oh, it's painful, but once it's going, you can't stop it. Oh, that seems to stop it. So I am guessing, are we there? We need to somehow lever this apart. Hopefully, shut up. Without breaking it. And it started playing properly now. Well, alright, that is the only possible way we can go in, so I am going to tinker with that till hopefully I can get in without breaking it, and then we'll have another look. Okay, we're getting there. We've got it levered up by that amount at this side, so hopefully I continue. One advantage with it being inside Santa's body is if it looks a bit battered, when I've finished, it doesn't matter. So we're in. So if I grab that, we have alright, that is actually the switch. So you push. Hang on, make sure you look. I will zoom you in some if the camera will focus. So that is actually the switch. So if I were to, is this wide enough, short across those? Nothing happens! So that is the little sounder, and you actually push the whole circuit board down onto the switch. to fire it up. And those are the little batteries. Yeah, there we go. So let us, that metal plate actually attached to anything. Oh, I see, yep. Right, let's see if we can get these batteries out of here. I am guessing they should possibly just push out. Well, I'm guessing they soldered the battery holders in with the batteries in. No, we got it. It's going. Just needs a bit of force applied. There we go. So what is this super battery that has survived over 30 years, and it's not just not stopped working because the contacts are corroded? Are we looking at that? We are. Okay, so I've stuck it in the scanner and scanned it, and it's a type 192, and there we go, courtesy of 24-hour batteries. It's a 1.5 volt alkaline, all of 25 milliamp hours. Wow. And the diameter, we put this on, should be 7.9, and there we go. That's near enough 7.9. Don't want to measure the height because I'll just short across it with the calipers. And shall we, just for entertainment, see what voltage it has left on it? And I'd have to zoom out to see the meter. Let's do it. Oh, come on. That's crazy. So it was working with 200 millivolts. Yeah, definitely 200 and some millivolts. I'm assuming the other one is about the same. And yeah, there's just a sound chip thing under a blob which works a little. Oh, there we go. a little piezoelectric sounder. There we go, 1980s. Throwaway electronic technology. So, I do not have any of these little batteries. I've had a hunt through my battery drawer. So, I shall have to order some. So, that will probably take a few days, but for you lucky viewers, it will take a few seconds. And then, armed with fresh batteries, we will put the sound back together, and I am told that Santa has had a bath, so his suit will be nice and sharp, and we can put this back together and we'll be ready for next Christmas. Only 11 months to go. Okay, so it is a couple of days later, and by the miracle of eBay we have some batteries. So let us firstly remove the other old one. There we go. And just for entertainment, completeness, whatever, we'll have a look at that one. Alright, and that one has 1.1 volts across it. Funny how one, they're in series I guess, and one and 200 millivolts, and that one had a volt and some on. Anyway, let us remove that. Let us take our deoxit and spray it absolutely everywhere. Not the best stuff, I'm just putting a drop on in a specific place. However, so should we get some batteries out? There we go. Should we put them in? And see what happens. Oh no, hang on, we need to short across there, don't we? Seemingly not a lot. We stick it back in its a faint buzzing noise. That's not good. Waggle them around to try and clean the contacts up. There we go. Okay, bright and festive. So, I'm just going to wiggle those batteries about a bit more. Allow the deoxit to do its job. Whoops. I didn't want to do that. Oops. Probably not in the camera. Okay. Get a piece of paper. Rather grubby piece of paper. I'll give that a clean. Oh, wrong bit. There we go. Right, in she goes. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, you get the idea, right? She goes back to Angela to be put back in his body, and we are good. Okay, so here he is. Clean, refurbed, and ready for the next festive season. And if any of you don't get the odd references to things like We Can Rebuild Him and Bionic Santas, that comes from the 1970s $6 Million Man TV series, which, if you want to know more about that, there's plenty online to look up. So for now, we're going to leave it a success, this one, and please subscribe, comments if you've got something to say. And that's it for now. So for now, it's goodbye from Triplicate, home of interesting electronics. Goodbye.
Goodbye.